Before we proceed to our next topic, who can remember our last discussions
about polygon?
is the
About polygon, sir.
yes. What is polygon?
Shape that has more than 4 sides.
Yes, three or
Or
more.
more sides. Before we proceed to another topic, is one it has energized. Our energizer is I give a word and to the point for example, literary yung word kay Juan, kaming idzog, kajes kay walang tulog, katisaryo is lagi gising, nagkabirit is what, kung point ko na, mag-ingon sa kuwan, kaming idzog, kaming idzog, kaya bingon sa kung point ko mo, sa sunod na, walang tulog, mga kaming idzog, walang tulog,
Laging gising.
yung tulog, walang tulog. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Kami joke.
Kaming idzog.
Kami
Kaming
ijo.
idzog.
Kami ijo. Kami ijo.
Okay, first,
Kami ijo.
walang tulog.
Laging gising.
Master,
Kami ijo.
walang tulog.
Kami ijo.
Walang tulog.
Laging gising. Kami ijo.
Walang tulog.
Laging gising.
Good, to our topic. Let's have introductory activity. I give you a piece of paper with a word, and out of the word you need to do is to construct a lyric in one stanza, and we'll sing it in good class. Kamu rin bahala kung sa'yo na tune yung gamiton. Okay, group 1 and group 2. One stanza, one sentence.
Kanta.
Ready na? One stanza. It is a we love the earth. We love the earth. We love the earth. It is a circle. Walang bus. Ready na? What's that? Ready na class? Yes. First presenter is group 1. Four. Without your masterpiece meaning. 4, 3, 2, and we love the earth. It is a a circle. We love the earth and it has circumference. Next is group. You wanna learn new meat?
We love the corn. We love the corn. It's in the circle. We love the corn.
It is our word.
About circle.
About circle.
Our topic for today is
About circle.
First, we need to know the objective. Solve for the area and circumference of a circle. Relate solving area and circumference of a circle and solving real-life equation problem. Third is illustrate the essential parts of a circle. Circle is two-dimensional shape formed by the set of all points which are distinct distance from a given point. Paano sa kuhaan ng shape ng circle sa forma?
Yes.
Circle, kanin? Kanin, ito ang circle. No, right? Yeah. So, the circle has five parts. First is chords. It's a segment whose end through the center of a circle. Whose end point are of circle. So, sa circle, circle. Asa man ang part sa chord, sa tones. Sugod sa end point. Kanin, the center of the circle. Ang tawag sa chord. So, ang next na part sa circle is diameter. It's a chord that passes through the center of the circle. So, kayo sa matawag ba rin sa kuwan? Saan siya? O, matawag ko siya o?
Chord.
Ano? Ano yun?
Chord.
Sa kalian sa chord o sa diameter?
Passes to the center.
The last part of a circle is radius. It has segment whose equals the center and a point on the circle. Isa may kuwan sa kuwan. Center to So, ito parts of a circle that first is So, what is chord? What is diameter? Radius.
It's a segment whose endpoints are the center and
Point
point on the circle.
which is the result sa parts of the circle. Ano yung kasilahan? Measurement of a circle. So yan, Diyos. Ito yung Diyos na 3.4. So gamito ito ang formula na A equals pi r squared. So ito naman, ang pila man ang value sa pi?
3.1416. 3.1416.
Value ito sa r?
3.4.
3.4 centimeter square. So sa isunod bato na to,
Multiply.
Square.
Square.
kailangan ng 3.4 square.
9.16.
9.16.
11.56.
Ay, 11.56.
3.4.
Whereas kapiyon na to ang 3.14
11.56 centimeter.
centimeter. So ang 3.14 times 11.56 centimeters sila ang 36.32. 36.32 centimeters square. So, ay din yung kalimti ang iyang apelido kahit kalimtan na ninyo kahit sa may kuwan. Kasi
Wala
Wala.
Answer. Answer.
what? Not, kaya na ito kuwan ang example. Yes. What if yung reduce line 9? Kamu ko solve ko no? Na may reduce na 9. Sa may gamit na formula. Pi r square. So sa value sa pi na
3.1416.
value sa r
9.
so copy ang 3.14 yung 9 square kila man
81.
81 na 3.14 times 51
C is equals to 2 pi r.
So, by R. So, sabay, kaya nga po lang sa may given niya.
Radius.
Radius. Natay given nga 9 cm na radius. So, gamito natin ang formula na 3 equals to pi R. Natay ito, sa may value to sa ato ang pi.
3.141.
3.16. Natong R.
9.
9.
9. Sa sunod ba ito?
Times.
Multiply na lang.
2 times 3.14, 56.50 times 9 is pila nga? 56.55 point 54 centimeter
Square. Wala.
Wala square.
square. Ano wala ba square?
Eh, wala kayo square.
Square. So,
So,
kaya na pag example sa circumference,
No, sir. No, sir.
the next formula is, the next circumference is given by
diameter.
C is equal to
Pi d.
at ay given na 15 centimeter.
So, dito lang.
So, the formula ay C equals 5D.
D.
Kaya ito given na ito sa diameter na pila guys?
18.
Centimeter. So, sa ito ba ito muna eh?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Divide lang.
16 times 15.
14
16 times 15.
centimeter.
Equals to
Equal to
47.12.
1.4
centimeters.
Napain kung sana sa measurement of a circle?
Answer.
Kung nasabtan naman nyo ang circle o kanyang part of a circle, yung measurement, we have mag-activity tab para mag-check ito kung sa inyo ang understand ko. Same group na yapon. Ang group 1 is answer this na problems. Ang group 2 is Ito na mag-explain sa group 1.
Okay. A bicycle tire has a 9 diameters of 6 inches. So what is the inches? What is the circumference of the tire? So, muna siya, for example, muna ligid. Kana naa siya 9 ka diameter. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, matag ko niya naa siya 26 inches. So, 26 inches. Then, formula sa circumference is that C is equal pi, then D, or pi is equal 3.1416 times 26 inches. So the answer is 81.68, 16 inches.
So, group 2.
Illustrate the essential parts of the circle. Nakita niyo, gilahid na po ang chord, passes, segment, end points. And then sa diameter, passes through the circle. So tawag lagi ako siya o same as chord. And then ang radius. Radius, point on the circle. So one from gikas sa middle until sa gahong end.
Now, class, always remember that circle is a round shape that has parts, chords, diameter, radius, and it has mural measurement, the area and circumference. So, sa itong activity na kuha mo ng answer, i-check na ito kung saan yung law na ba yung nasabtan for assignment. Burn graphic paper. Next, needed.
Graphic paper, isa.